Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the transaction and its source documents, so you record facts, not guesses. Once done, pick the date and the exact amount. Small rounding errors cascade. Make sure to map each line to the correct ledger account and choose debit or credit based on whether assets or equity change. Enter a concise memo describing purpose, reference supporting doc ID, and attach evidence. This sets an audit trail and prevents rework later. Next, you enter the detailed lines. Debit entries then credits, ensuring total debits equal total credits so the books stay balanced. While typing, assign cost centers and tax codes. If foreign currency is involved, input the exchange rate and converted amount to avoid later adjustments. Once entries are saved, run a quick trial balance or validation rule. If your system supports approvals, route it immediately so a reviewer can sign off. Finally, post the entry and confirm the system shows it as posted. Lock the accounting period if required so nothing alters history. Then reconcile the entry against bank statements and subledgers. Mismatches identify timing or classification errors. If you find a mistake, reverse the original with an explanatory memo, create a corrected entry, and notify the approver to maintain transparency. One troubleshooting tip: if totals won't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.